Hey everyone, and today we're going to be building the Forest Hideout. This is a gift for purchase set when you spend £150 or euros or dollars, but obviously there'll be different pricing. And this is an old theme, it's to do with the old castle theme, and the box is the design from the late 80s to the 90s. The set has 258 pieces, and let's open it up to see what's inside. Got the first one. Got the second one. So there's one bag. There's another bag. There's another bag. An instruction manual, which looks a bit like one of the old ones. Yeah. And another little bag. So I'm going to get building and I'll see you guys in a minute. So I finished the build here. It's quite a big build for a little gift for purchase. Sorry. Let's start off with this minifigure here. So this one comes along with arrow sack. Don't know what it's called, but in the back for arrows. He comes with a bow and this really cool little archer's hat, like from an Archer in like this TV program, which I can't remember what it's called. Then we've got this lady with an iron sword. Well, all swords are iron, and yeah, that's all about her. And then the man also comes with a little archer's aiming thingy with full bow and arrows. And then onto the actual thing, the castle. This can fold in half like that to become a fully round castle, or you could open it up so you could have that on the inside where it has a little ladder to go up there, and then up here it's a barrel with some gold in up in there. And all the leaves are incredible, how they spaced them out and everything. And yeah, that's all for today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!